students. Today we are going to discuss about ERP. So first of all, ERP. ERP is nothing but Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. This enterprise resource planning is a software which process all the operations of an business organization into a single unit. So this enterprise resource planning is a software which process all the operations of an business organization into a single unit. Business organizations into a single unit is called as enterprise resource planning. So this enterprise resource planning that process different types of operations of an business organization. So these operations such as first one, sales order and processing. Second one, inventory and management. Third one, production and distribution planning. Production and distribution planning. And fourth one, finance. These are the different types of operations into business organization. So all these operations that are combined or integrated into a single system is called as enterprise resource planning. So now we will see what is the difference between ERP and non-ERP or integrated and non-integrated. So see here we have different types of operations. The first one like sales order and processing, inventory and management, production and distribution planning and finance. So now we will see first one, marketing, finance and manufacturing and also human resource applications. So human resource application. So these are the different operations to the business organization. So these are stored in different locations. So marketing database and accounting database, like marketing and sales information will be stored within the marketing database, and finance information will be stored within the accounting database, and manufacturing material database. So and human resource application and human resource databases. So these all are stored in different locations, that is too difficult to track the business operation. So to overcome this problem, that are implemented ERPs. So now see here, in this non-integrated, so means these are not combined into a single system. So these are stored in or these are combined into the different locations or different systems. So now we will see the ERP. So in this ERP, all this marketing and finance and manufacturing and also last one, human resource databases. So see here, this is nothing but ERP. So this is nothing but non-ERP. So in this non-ERP that are not integrated into a single system. In this ERP, all these business operations are integrated into a single system. So like marketing and sales, finance and also sales, customers and everything will be specified within a single system is called as ERP. So this is the difference between non-ERP and ERP. So non-integrated and integrated. So integrated means all these business operations are integrated into a single system. So that is easy to track the business operation within the database. It is called as enterprise resource planning. So this is all about ERP. Okay. Okay, next topic is CRM. So CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. So CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Okay, this Customer Relationship Management, managing the relationship with the customer is called as Customer Relationship Management. So in another way, so the Customer Relationship Management is a ERP module or enterprise module application. So it is an enterprise module application. Enterprise module application. So this CRM, so that manages the company's interaction with current and future customers, coordinating and organizing the sales orders. So sales order processing. So this customer relationship management that manage the company's interaction with the current and future customers or consumers with sales order and production and distribution, finance with best relationship or best services with technical support is called as customer relationship management. So here the company and customers. So it will be managing the relationship between the company and customers. So these customers, it may be either current customer or future customers that are coordinating and organizing the sales orders and marketing with best services, providing technical support, or the sales orders and marketing that providing best services with technical support is called as customer relationship management. So in this customer relationship management, so that are also involving with this marketing and sales distribution and also inventory management and finance and production and distribution plan. So now we will see, so in this marketing, fulfillment and also sales through telecom services and also front field. So front field services means store and front field services and also retention and loyalty to the customers, to providing customer services with this customer relationship management. So once we purchase any product or item, after purchasing or after buying a product that provides services to the customer, to providing relationship between the company and customer. So now we are purchasing one product, and if this product get any problem, then it will provide services through telecalls, or it may be either call centers, or directly we can also go to the store and front field services, and we can provide achieve the services through the company, and the company will be providing services to this customer, and it will be providing best services with retention and loyalty. Okay, so that will be providing the customer services, and this customer relationship management, that providing services to the customer and company, and that improves the business. So that is called as customer relationship management. So simply we need to remember. So customer relationship management is nothing but, so just it will be managing the relationship between the company and customer. So if this customer purchase any item or product from this business organization, so that will provide services with efficiently to the customer, to providing well relationship or best relationship to the customer, to improving the business organization, is called as customer relationship management. Okay, so now next topic is supply chain management. So now we will see discussed about ERP and CRM. So now third one is SCM. So SCM stands for Supply Chain Management. Supply Chain Management. So this supply chain management consists integrating and controlling the flow of information, on all the operations of business is called as supply chain management. So supply chain management system consists of integrating and controlling the flow of information over all the operations of business is called as supply chain management. So this supply chain management consists or includes all the sales order information and marketing and also finance and manufacturing. All these operations are included within this supply chain management system. So in this supply chain management system, that includes, so here it's supplying the items or products from customers to from company to customer. So now it will maintaining all these operations within the supply chain management system. So this supply chain management system that integrating and controlling the flow of information over the business organization operations. So now see here, in this supply chain management system, it keeps track all the items and customer and company and supplier information. For example, I have ordered one product. So for example, I have ordered or purchased one product or item. So and this product or item information, and also so which item and which customer address, and also everything will be specified or integrated or controlling with this supply chain management system. So where we have to deliver this and where we have to deliver the item or product, and which customer and which item and which address. So everything that will be keeps tracking with this supply chain management system. So that controlling to deliver the item efficiently and fastly to the right addresses. So that can be keep tracking with this business operations and controlled by the supply chain management system. So this is nothing but supply chain management system. So here first it will be, so we are making one order. We are making order or we are buying one product. So one product or item. So where this product is delivered from which supplier and also customer. So which supplier is delivering the product and which customer is receiving the order. So that it can be keeps tracking and controlling by the supply chain management system. So now see here. First one, SCM. SCM is nothing but supply chain management. So this supply chain management system consists of integrating and controlling the flow of information in all the operations of business organization. So this supply chain management system consists sales and marketing information and finance information and manufacturing information. So for example, if you purchase any product or item, so it keeps tracking the product information and customer information and supplier information within the supply chain management system. Okay, this is all about supply chain management system.